Hello students, in the previous video we started with trigonometric function and we begin our concept with angle, quadrants, measure of angles by two categories, it is degree measure and radian measure, and then the very important criteria, 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, and how radian is formed, what is the relation between degree and radian, and we studied one theorem. We learned one theorem, that is radian is a constant angle. As I told you in my previous video, we have one more theorem which is very interesting and very important for upcoming problems. Based on this particular theorem, they will frame many questions in your competitive exam as well as in theory only, in theory also. So let me start with that very interesting as well as very important theorem. I am not saying that theorem 1 is not important, it is also important only. But second theorem, based on second theorem, they may frame many questions in your entrance examination. What is that second theorem is? Let me explain it. See, I just told you about this particular concept. I have considered one circle and how radian form based on the radius. If I take A, B, this length is same as radius of this circle and it is called as 1 radian. Now, in my mind, curiosity will develop. If this particular part is 1 radian, if I draw one more line like this, and I got one more new arc, let me call the name is C. This is my ordinary construction. I have constructed one more new point C. Now I have taken AC. How much radian this particular angle is? Can I call it a 1.5 radian, 2 radian, 3 radian? It is a bit difficult. If this is 1 radian, how much this particular portion is? Or how much angle subtended by this particular arc? How much angle subtended by this particular arc? This particular arc subtended this much radian. How much radian subtended by this particular arc? That I will discuss as a theorem number 2. Number of radians subtended by an arc of a circle at center is equal to arc divided by radius. How much radian? A particular number of radian subtended by arc of a circle at center is equal to arc by radius. One more way to frame this particular question is, this is one of the very famous theorem. With usual notation, prove that L equals to R theta, where L is arc length. In some textbook, they have taken this notation as S. You may take any notation, but usually we take this notation to prove the result. I never said that it will always L. Some textbook they will use S. So in that case, draw a diagram with using notation S. Here question only we have told L equals to r theta, where r L is r theta. That I will discuss now. Or one more way to ask this question: number of radians in an angle subtended by an arc of circle at center is r divided by radius. There are three ways to frame this question. One is number of radians subtended by arc of a circle at center is equal to r by radius. With usual notation prove that L equals to r theta, where L is arc length. Number of radians in an angle. I told no. Number of radians in an angle. Whether this is angle or not. Number of radians in an angle subtended by arc of circle at center is equal to, you need to prove arc by radius. Arc by radius means you need to prove r by radius, L by r. Number of angles. That angle is theta. Okay. Now I will prove this particular. For proving this, I will construct a circle. I will draw a circle and then I will construct something within a circle. First, you consider a circle with center O and radius r. Okay. Now I will take that by definition there is some point B. Okay. And this length is r. We know to get 1 radian, this length as well as radius should come same. So which contributes 1 radian. I will take one more point here. I will call. Now first is AOB, which is 1 radian. Now I have took one more point C, which is bit apart to B. So I got angle AOC. I will call that angle AOC as a theta. Okay. So I write construction. Consider a circle with center O, radius r. Okay. By definition, yes, angle AOB is 1 radian because it's by definition. Take point C on circle. Join C and O. Okay. Let angle AOC is theta. Okay. What is arc AB? What is arc length of AB? AB arc length is same as r, then only it is 1 radian. Therefore arc AB is r radian. What is arc AC or arc ABC? Arc ABC is nothing but they only given L. It is L. Understood? Now I will use the concept of lower classes. Angle AOB divided by angle AOC is equal to AOB arc is AB AOC arc is AC. Yes, which implies that reason you know. Angle subtended, angle at the center are proportional to R subtending them. Angle at the center are proportional to R subtending them, that is in lower classes. What is angle AOB? It is 1 radian divided by. What is angle AOC? It is theta. Yes. What is angle AB? Arc AB. Arc AB is nothing but R. Yes. Then what is arc AC? L. Yes. When you cross multiply, you got L equals to R theta. Now you may ask the question, why you have not wrote this notation here? 1 radian is a constant. Arc length is also constant. Constant into constant gives me a constant. So L equals to R theta, or you may write theta equal to L by R. Therefore, number of radians subtended by arc of circle at the center is equal to R by radius. Arc is L by radius. If you want to find how much angle, or that you take arc length divided by radius, or if this is 1 radian, how much this particular region is, use this particular concept. Based on this result, they will frame many questions in your entrance examination. This is one of the very interesting part in your trigonometric function. So with usual notation, I put L equals to R theta. If in the question paper, if you got with usual notation put at S equals to R theta, then you take this as an arc length AC as an S, and wherever L present, you take it as S. You start with S only, but here they have given L, no, so take L. If they have told prove S equals to R theta, wherever L present, you take it as S and do the result. So I put L equals to R theta. So this is one of the very interesting idea in this particular reason. So based on this, they will frame many questions in it. Okay, fine. Now, very interesting concept I want to tell you now. These two theorems gone over. One is radian is constant quantity. Second one is number of radians in an angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is equal to arc by radius. These two theorems, you will get one question definitely in your exam. Either they may frame problems on it, or they may ask directly question. Sometimes they may twist. They may, if you are lucky, they may ask prove that L equals to R theta. Sometimes they may twist. So understand the question properly. Okay. Oh, let me discuss the very next concept. Relations between degree and radians. Now, this is one of the Vedic moment in this concept. What is the relation between? Because we studied both the degree and radians. Now we need the connection between them. What's the connection between degree and radian? Fine. So what I will do here is to give idea about this thing. So let me draw a diagram. Okay. What I will do here is I will consider again circle. Then now its center O, call, I'll extend here, and I will take 1 radian. This is one particular radian, and I will extend this, so that I will write here. I can write angle AOB over angle AOC is nothing but AB arc divided by AC arc, right? What is angle AOB? 1 radian. What is angle AOC? A straight line, a straight angle, that is 180 degree. What is AB arc? That is radius. Yes. Then what is AC arc? AC arc is nothing but AC means this much. AB means only this much, and this length is same as this long. Therefore, I put R. What is AC arc? AC arc is half of the circumference. Half of the circumference means pi r. You cancel these two. You got 1 radian upon 180 degree is equal to 1 by pi. We all know pi is a constant quantity. 1 radian is a constant quantity. Constant quantity is this. I'll write for the time pi radian. Okay. Let me take here 180 degree. Okay. Or if you confuse, you may ask the question, sir, why you wrote pi into 1 is pi radian? Or you may write pi radian because you multiply pi with the radian. So pi radian is equal to 180 degree. This is the relation between degree and radian. So we got to know that pi radian is 180 degree. With this I can say, so this is very important conversion. Pi radians is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, the very first conclusion, this is very important. If pi radian is 180 degree means 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. And the very important instruction is use pi equal to 22 by 7. Instead of 3.14, take 22 by 7. If pi radian is 180 degree means one more conclusion. What is 1 degree equal to? 1 degree is nothing but pi by 180 radian. That radian connotation is this. Okay. Therefore, to convert radian into degree, multiply 180 by pi and use pi as a 22 by 7. To convert degree into radian, multiply the degree to pi by 180. Okay. Therefore, this is very important thing. And I will give one note to you people. This is very important note. Very first is 1 radian is approximately. The question comes now. What is 1 radian approximately? It is 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 second. You will get to know why it comes in this direction. And 1 degree is approximately 0.01746 radian. Therefore, 1 radian is approximately 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 seconds. And 1 degree is approximately 0.01746 radian. Therefore, you got to know, if I told you this as a 1 radian, it gives me an angle of approximately 57 degree. If anything more than 57 degree won't come in a 1 radian category. Then if I want to know 58 degree, what can I say? If anyone asks what is 57 degree, you may say sir, 57 degree is 1 radian. If anyone asks you what is 58 degrees equal to, then we need a calculation. Understood? Therefore, 1 radian approximately 57 degree, 16 minute, 22 second, and 1 degree approximately 0.01746 radian. That thing you need to keep in mind. Along with 1 radian is 180 by pi degree, 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. To convert radian into degree, multiply by 180 by pi, use 22 by 7 as pi approximation, and to convert degree into radian, multiply pi by 180. Understood? That is very important thing. You just note down this important criteria in your notebook for your upcoming results. Okay? Now, we'll have some problem based on these criteria. They are all very interesting problems. So just to take care of all these things. So these all are very important, 200% important for your upcoming problems. So just take care of all these things in a neat format. So 1 radian is approximate. Anything more than 57 degrees is not considered 1 radian category. Okay. And one more thing I will tell you now only. If in a question paper they will never ask to convert radian to degree, try to keep it in a degree, minute, seconds. If any question comes to convert radian to degree, keep it in a degree, minute, second if possible. If it not possible, keep it as it is. Okay, fine. So let me discuss with some problems. Now based on this, we will discuss a few problems. So the title I will give is Problems Based on Degree and Radian Method. Okay. Hope you are enjoying the chapter. It's very easiest way I'm explaining you the concept. So just take help of these things in a very nice way and wind up as much as possible. Okay, just get in-depth idea in this. Okay, so how do you frame question? Convert following radian measure into degree measure. This is the title of the question. Convert following radian measure into degree measure. Max to max, they may ask this question for 2 or 3 marks. So this is the question. Let me take first question. Pi by 3 radian. They have given this in terms of radian. Okay. They expect you to convert this in terms of degree method. We all know that to convert radian into degree, I told to convert radian into degree, multiply 180 by pi. Okay. So what I will do? Pi by 3 radian. So no need to write all these things. Just to memorize these two. To convert radian into degree, 180 by pi. To convert degree into radian, pi by 180. So pi by 3 radian is nothing but pi by 3 into, I told, 180 divided by pi whole degree. Okay. So cancel pi. 3 ones are 3 60s are. Therefore, pi by 3 is, when it comes to radian, its answer is 60 degree. That you all know. Pi by 3 is 60 degree, pi by 4 is 45 degree, pi by 2 is 90 degree. So like this you may convert. If I take one more simple question to you people, if I ask you convert pi by 2 radian into degree, means what you people will do? Write pi by 2 into, don't write again radian here, you are converting now. 180 upon pi, right bracket, right outside degree. Cancel pi, 2 ones are 2 90s are. So the answer is 90 degree. So that is one more question. Okay. Third question. 2 pi by 15 radian. They expect you to convert into degree. So what I will do? This 2 pi by 15 into 180 by pi. Yes. So degree. Pi cancel. 180 2s are 360. So 360 by 15. Okay. So 360 by 15 means 15 2s are 300. 15 20s are 15 2s are 30. 15 20s are 300 and another 15 4s are 60. So it is nothing but 20 plus 4, 24. So 360 by 15 is nothing but it is 24 degree because 15 24 are 360. Just you check it once. So 360 by 50 is 24 degree. So 2 pi by 15 radian is same as 24 degree. So based on this I took few problems. Now let me take based on this problem some challenging question. Okay. Okay, so let me take very interesting problems now onwards. Pi by 8 radian. Pi by 8 radian. They expect you to convert it to a degree measure. So what I will do? You write it as a pi by 8 into 180 by pi, yes, degree. Then pi get cancelled. 180 by 8 degree, right? Then it is 45. It is 45 4s are, yes, 4 45 are 4 2s are. Hope so you understand. It is 45 by 2 degree. Yes. See, previous all problem you observed. First problem we got 24 degree. Some problem you got 60 degree. Some problem you got 90 degree. It is not possible to further simplify. It is that much only. But here you have 45 by 2. See, 24 degree you can't simplify. 60 degree you can't simplify. 90 degree you can't simplify. That's why I kept these all things in a previous question as it is only, as a final answer. But here, when I come here, you got 45 by 2. So you should show all this calculation to the examiner. So write in that answer book 45 by 2 means 2 22s are 44, right? So the remainder is 1. So I will write this particular thing as 22 1 by 2 degree. Hope so you understood. Correct? Now onwards the man starts in this particular problem. 22.5 degree can be written as 22 degree and half degree. Hope so you understood. Yes, don't cancel. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Okay. Now it is nothing but 22 degree. I told you 1 degree is 60 minutes. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Yes. You have here half degree. Okay. So half degree means, I told one thing. Whenever they expect you to convert radian into degree, try to keep answering degree, minute, second if possible. Here you have what? Degree notation. Let me convert this into a minute. 1 degree means 60 minutes. What do you mean by half degree equal to? Half degree equal to 30 minutes. Therefore, pi by 8 radian, when you convert to a degree, if you write up to this, some validators, they will give marks full. Some validators, they won't give you marks because they expect answer in this style. Nowhere they will mention that express in this style. But this is the standard style. So, degree, minute, because in this I only got second. In future problem, you will get some problem where you will get degree, minute and second. So this is a simplified format of this particular problem. So let me explain. Pi by 8 into 180 by pi degree. So then I have simplified 180 by 8. Okay, 2 ones are and 45 by 2. So you should show this calculation to the calculator. 45 by 2 is 22 and half. So I wrote 22 degree, half degree. So 1 degree means 60 minutes. Therefore half degree means 30 minutes. Therefore I got this particular answer in a degree and minute format. Okay. So this is the solution for this pi by 8 degree. Okay. Now let me explain you a very weighting moment problem in this particular concept. I want to work you people along with me. Convert 1 by 4 radian into degree. Measure. They will mention up to this only. It is up to you. Okay. So just you work with me. So let me begin this problem in a nice format. See. 1 by 4 radian. Yes. So it is nothing but I want it in a degree manner, right? I'll write it there. 1 by 4 into 180 upon pi degree. Hope so you understand. This is the for rough calculation. I will keep some space. See, what is the difference between this and previous problem is? In the previous problem, you have here pi and you cancel this. You don't have here pi. So it pressurize me to make use of its value. So what I will do here is, write 1 by 4 into 180 divided by 22 by 7 degree, right? Then in the next step, let me cross multiply. It is 180 into 7 upon 4 into 22 degree. Yes, we all know 4 ones are 445. Just to check, 45 into 4. 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16 plus 2, 18. You got here. So it is nothing but you got 45 sevens are. So it's very simple. I think it's a 315. 7 5s are 725, 3, 7 4 28 plus 2, 31. Yes, it is nothing but 315. It is nothing but 315 upon 22 degree. You got a degree style. Now, what I will do here is, I use calculation 315 divided by 22. You have to use somewhat longer version of the calculation. See, 22 tens are 220, 220, 315 long gap. Try with 22 11s are, 22 12s are. Let me use 22 12s are. 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24 plus 2, 26. Again, a larger distance. Let me try with 22 13s are, 13 2s are 26, 13 2s are 26 plus 2, 28. Again, bit far. Let me use 22 14s are, 14 2s are 28, 14 2s are 28 plus 2, 30. I guess it is okay. When you take 22 into 15, 15 to the 30, 15 to the 30 plus 3, 33, which is exceeding this. So this one is better for me. So write 22, 14 is 308. So it is 308 means 7 left. Yes. So I can write 315 by 22 as 47 by 22 degrees. Also you understand. It is 7 by 22 degrees. So in the next step, okay, it's for rough work. You need to mention all these nicely. So you got here 7 by 22 degree. I write it in 14 degree 7 by 22 degree. So I got degree version. So let me bring it in a minute, if possible, second version. This is not very interesting. See, we all know that 1 degree is 60 minutes. So can you tell me how much 7 by 22 degree gives? 7 by 22 degree is nothing but 7 into 60 by 22 minutes. Hope so you understand. If 1 degree is 60 minutes, multiply that 1 to 7 by 22, it becomes 7 by 22 degree, no? Obviously, if you multiply here 7 by 22 means here also you need to multiply. Yes. Therefore, I can say this thing as 14 degree into 7 into 60 by 22 minutes. Yes. So I write down, because of less space I am writing like this. In paper you write 1 by 1. It is nothing but 14 degree 7 6 420 420 right? Upon 22 minutes. Now I want the calculation. 420 upon 22. Just to check with calculation. If you take 22 12s 12 2s 24. 12 2s 24 plus 2 26. You need a bit larger one. So what if I work with 20? 20 2s 40. 20 2s 40 plus 4 44. Yes, I guess it's exceeding. 22s 40. 22s 40 plus 4 44. Let me use a big version. 18 2s 36. 18 to the 36, 36 plus 3, 39. Hope so it's okay, right? Let me use it 22, 19s 92s 38, 92s 38 plus 3, 41. I guess it works with 418 because nearer to 420. So I can say 22, 19s right? 418. Nothing but you will remind me 2. So I can say it is 14 degree and that was with 19 2 by 22 minute. I can say it is at 14 degree 19 minute 2 by 22 minute, right? So I got degree, minute. Only thing left with me is second. I know that 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now how come about 2 by 22 minutes? 2 by 22 minute is equal to 2 by 22 into 60 seconds. Also you understood. Yes, because if 1 minute is this, to get 2 by 22 minutes, multiply that 1 to 2 by 22. So it is nothing but I got to know 14 degree 19 minutes 2 into 60 divided by 22 seconds, because I converted it to seconds time. Therefore, I got my answer 14 degree 19 minutes 62 is 120. It is 120 upon 22 seconds. Let Let me simplify this. So 120 divided by 20 means 22 means 22 tens are 220, which is far away. 22 5s are, let me work. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Okay, let me take 22 6s are. 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12. It is exceeding. Better you work with 22 5s are. So 22 5s are 110. 110 divided with 10. So I can say it is 14 degree 19 minutes. And I can say here 5 10 by 22 seconds. So anyhow it is a fraction. I got my destination. Alright, 14 degree 19 minutes. I will neglect this particular term. Alright, 5 seconds only. This is the final answer for 1/4 radian. 1/4 radian is approximately 14 degree 19 minutes and 5 seconds. So like this you can work very neatly these problems. Only thing you need here is 1 degree is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, and all these divisions. And in answer booklet, okay, yes, here because of less space I am writing like this. You write one by one and show the calculation like this. Okay, I wrote everything neatly by multiplying 60 60 60. I got this calculation. So 1/4 radian approximately fetch me 14 degree 19 minute 5 seconds. Now I will give one homework. I'll give one homework to you people. I want reply from you people. Everyone should reply me that you got an answer. I told in my previous video 1 radian is approximately 57 degree 16 minute 22 seconds. I told approximately. Just in place of 1/4 put 1 and you do the calculation and try to get approximately this answer. Just check it your calculation. If you successfully got, it's fine. Just verify the answer because I told orally it's approximately. Now you want a systematic way to get such method. Whenever they frame a question to convert radian into degree, no, keep that format in the degree, minute, second, if possible. If it is not possible, say for example, for such problem, which I taught very first, pi by 3. Pi by 3, what you will do? Pi by 3 into 180 by pi. Pi by get cancelled, 3 1s are 360. There is no chance to convert. So keep that 60 degree angle. Here there is a chance because of this fraction. No? I converted systematically. So this is the homework to you people. 1 radian, take 2 radian. If you take minus 2 radian, what will happen? This is a homework for you people. If you get minus 2 radian, same answer you will get, but at the end you will get answer minus. Okay? So this thing you keep in mind. It's a common sense. If 1 radian fetch me this answer, minus 1 radian fetch you minus 57 degree 16 minute 22 seconds. So to that answer multiply by minus. So the homework for you people is tell me the answer of these two. 1 radian and minus 2 radian. These two I need the answer from you people. I already told answer of 1 radian. That is 57 degree 16 minute 22 second approximately. Try to prove it and just take care of minus 2 radian. So while writing minus 2 radian, what you will do? You begin minus 2 radian like this. Then what you will do? Minus 2 into 180 by 5 degree. Keep that minus outside and start with all this calculation. This 2 into 180 by 5. In the bracket you will get answer plus only. This plus into outside minus. At the end you will get answer as a minus only. So therefore take care of this problem in your own way. So this is one of the very interesting problem I discussed in this video. So they may ask this question for 2 or 3 marks, but don't leave. This is one of the interesting, very easy one. Okay, just take care of this problem. I guess you noted this video. Pause the video and watch once again and try to compare your answer. Okay, fine. convert following degree measure into radian measure. So far we have converted radian into degree. Now it times to convert degree measure into a radian measure. Let me take you interesting question, and today we will wind up this. Okay, in the next class we will discuss problems on L equals to R theta. So till then you take care of all this problem. Make way. Okay, let me take very first problem. 340 degree. What I told, how to convert degree to radian? To convert degree to radian, what should we do? 340 into multiply by pi by 180. It is pi by 180. Yes, it is radian because I am converting. Then 0 0 cancel. 2 9s are 2 17s are. I guess further not possible. It is 17 pi by 9 radian. Got my point? So 340 degree, when you got in a radian style, it is 17 pi by 9 radian. If you want to get some 60 degree, you know the answer. It is pi by 3 radian. Let me check the answer. That is true or not. What you will do? 60 into pi by 180. You people will do radian, which is equal to 0 0 cancel. 6 1s are 6 3s are pi by 3 radian. Therefore, to convert degree to radian, multiply pi by 180. To convert radian into degree, multiply 180 by pi and use pi as 22 by 7 for the calculation. Okay. Now, one more question. 75 degree. So what do we do here? Write it as 75 into pi by 180 radian. Yes. Then what do you do? So it's simplified, and just you take the answer of this particular answer in this particular question. So 75 pi by 180. Okay. Okay. I guess it is 5 by 12 radian because 15 5s are, okay, is 75 and 15 12s are 180. Yes. Therefore, when you simplify 75 pi by 180 radian, it fetch you answer 5 pi by 12 radian. So 75 degree approximately is equal to 5 pi by 12 radian. Therefore, this is the confirmation from this particular problem. See, in this problem I am very much particular. I am solving each and every step because I observed you in the numerical part. Many of you are very weak in the calculation. For that sake, I am forced to do this calculation in a step-by-step way because every time you are committing mistake and it's a headache to value such papers. So therefore, make use of such thing what I used. Okay, take care of such thing. So let me take one more last question. So convert 5 degree 37 now. This is if possible, you take it as a homework. 5 degree 37 minutes and 30 seconds into radian. This is one of the very interesting problem. See, second minute degree. Who is superior? Who is superior here? Here superior is degree. Then superior is minute. Then superior is second. So what I will do, I will convert seconds to minute. Then I will convert minute to degree. At that I will convert to degree. That's finished. Because if I have only 5 degree, what I will do? I write 5 into pi by 180. But here the problem with this problem is you have this. Therefore, what I will do? Now 37 minute 30 second is equal to, we all know that 1 degree is 60 minute, 1 minute is 60 second. Let me convert the second into minute. So what will happen? See, 60 seconds is 1 minute. Therefore, obviously 30 seconds is half minute, right? Therefore, I can say it is 37 minute and half minute. Hope you understood. Then it is 37 and half minute. Hope you understood. Now 37 and half means 75 by 2 minutes. Yes. So now with this 75 by 2 minutes, I got that I can say 5 degree 37 minute 30 second is 5 degree into 75 by 2 minutes. Now my intention is to convert this minute into a degree now. So again I will take this help. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. But I don't want here second calculation. 1 degree 60 minutes means 1/60th of degree is 1 minute. Therefore, to get 75 by 2 minutes, I will write 75 by 2 minutes is equal to 1 divided by, that is 75 by 2 divided by 60 degree. Hope so you understood. Which is nothing but 75 by 120 degree. Yes. So it is nothing but 5 degree 75 divided by 120 degree. Right? Again I can write this thing as, let me use some calculation. 5, okay, it is 5 15s, so I can say 5 degree 75 means 5 15s and 5 24 degree. Yes, so this is nothing but therefore I got a clear picture. 5 15 by 24 degree. Yes. Now let me simplify. 24 5s are, it's 100. 100 plus 15, 150. So I got final answer as 150 divided by 24 degree. Right? Just to check, 24. So, oh sorry. Okay, 24. This is a 24 5s now. 120. Sorry, 120. Okay, this is 120. 120 in plus 50 is 135. Sorry, calculation. It's 135 upon 24 degrees, right? Then I want finally in a radian, right? It's 135 by 24 into pi by 180 radian. Okay. If possible, you simplify we got a final answer as 135 by 5 divided by 24 times 180. So I have converted 5 degrees, that is I mean 30 seconds in this particular format. So I guess it's for the simplification. You can simplify further this 180 as well as 135. Simplify, you get that final answer to that particular question. So we converted degree problem into a radian by using this particular degree and unit format. So with this, I will wind up today's session. In upcoming videos, we will discuss problems on L equals to R theta. Till then, take care of all these concepts, neatly note down, and you make use of all these concepts. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care.